You've crossed back with another review. You must be saying, why do I have a brown box here with just white packaging tape? Well, the best things that come from Amazon are in brown boxes. And let me show you what we got going on today. We have some good stuff here. We actually have a grill brush. Not only a grill brush, but we have a bristle-free grill brush. Now look at that. I love it when it has padding like this because the bristles are terrible on grills. So you have this nice bristle-free padding that will go Velcro onto your grill brush that it comes with. So let's take a look at what we got here. So we have the grill brush itself. Got the branding here. Let's see what it says. Immerse your brush head in cold water prior to usage. So it gives you a heads up on what to do. Nice hard material, nice handle, and it's just that one piece because we have another piece here to attach it. So we have a nice long stick here. So it has nice grooves for the grill brush. Now I'm doing this with one hand, as you can see. So if it's oh, sorry, going the wrong way here. So we got it going on, one-handed, boom, boom, boom. I'll tighten that up in a bit, but look at that. Now it's nice and long. So we have the grill brush, we have the warranty card, extended 1-year warranty. Gives you the information there, how to use a grill brush. Preheat your grill to 400 degrees, dip the brush in water. The carbonized residue vaporize in a puff of steam. So we got that. And then it comes with a whole bunch of grill brushes. So we have 3, 4, 5. So not only does this grill brush come with this nice handle, nice Velcro, but it comes with 5 of these heads. Because you know what? When you're grilling, after a couple uses, maybe a few uses of cleaning your grill, and if you don't wash it properly, it's a pain to buy a new grill brush head. And look at this. You get 5 with this. Great handle. Great looking brush heads. I told you, when it comes in this brown box like this, it's definitely worth it. Definitely get yours today, and we'll catch you on the next one.